we're back here, American Airlines, a lot of construction going on. Remember, they tore this whole area out, doing a rebuild. And seeing some steel beams going up. Got a tower crane up now, swinging pretty quickly. Can't remember if that was here the last time. I can't remember the last time I was here. It's probably like in November. I think maybe right before Thanksgiving. It's probably now. This is undergoing a $1.6 billion modernization, slated to be completed in 2027. It'll create a centralized location for ticketing, screening, and baggage claim with enhanced amenities for guests, as well as provide direct connection to the automatic people mover train. So eventually we'll see this barrel be dismantled, rebuilt, due to the fact that TSA is there right now. They wouldn't be able to put them anywhere else until this section's completed, and then when appropriate they'll redo this, which, you know, looks a little bit dated. I know a lot of people don't like it. Alright, if we walk through this pedestrian walkway in Terminal 4, give us a little bit better vantage point. You can see all that steel structure you can see from where I was earlier in the parking garage. Hopefully this comes through okay, because I'm shooting through a kind of a thick glass.